Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new, I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Yes, this is my full-time job right now. I was a dental technician and I retired and now this is my full-time job. So welcome to my channel. All right, so today's quick and easy day, and I am actually going to be sharing one of our new dies that's in our annual catalog, and it is called the Mini Pocket Envelope, which creates this little envelope here. I just stuck some little treats in here, but you can actually put a little card in here, use it on a big card, and then fill a little note in it. But I decided just to show you what this little pocket was about, and I put I found these Tootsie Roll 4th of July or patriotic Tootsie Rolls at Walmart in case you're looking for them. And I just made a quick little treat box, or treat bag. I'm not gonna actually show you this. I'll show you how to do it because it's super quick and easy. With the die, and this is what the die looks like. They are called Mini Pocket Envelope dies, and it has a bunch of other pieces with it. It has this, which we are going to use on this one, and you know how I am. I love to use my dies for just more than one thing, so I'm always trying to find another idea, and that's where this box came up with. But yeah, it's really cute. I'm going to keep that out because we're using that. And then I'm using the Alphabest stamp set again. I will link the videos I've done. I did do a 4th of July already, or a patriotic one, and I think it was for Memorial Day I did it. But I'm doing another one using this because I love this bundle. It's so cute. It comes with this best label die, so you just punch them out. And I love the little backgrounds on them. So I did use it on here, and I just put USA, but you can put a ribbon around here. You can really snazz these things up. They're so darn cute. But I love this little mini envelope, and it makes things so easy. So I already ran through. This is what it comes out to be, and it's already scored and everything. Super quick and easy. This would be a great one for if you have a birthday party, for nursing homes, for any kind of baby showers. It's so cute, and you can just add your little treat in there, put whatever you want on the front, and you can even fold this down if you want it to fold down like that. You know, you can fold it down, but all I did was folded this. I'm going to show you really quickly how to do it. We are using the same die for this box, and it's really easy to do, y'all. So you can use tear and tape on this because this is very narrow, or you can just use wet glue like I did, and you're just going to put it on these two pieces here. And these are our little glue tabs, and all you do is fold this down. It's so cute. It's going to be really cute for a card. I've been thinking about what I'm going to do for a card with this, but there's your little pocket. Isn't that so cute? I love this. And if you want to fold it over like that, you can fold it over like that. Punch a hole in here, tie a ribbon. There's so many things you can do with it. And like, it fit 3 of these Tootsie Rolls, and they're a pretty big size. So just think of the things that you could put into that. So I wanted to show you that because this is the die that we're using for this box right here. So let's go ahead and get started with it. I love these little alphabets. It's so cute. There's so many backgrounds you can create with this. So first thing that I want to do is I want to run through, and I did just use one of our 6x8 food safe bags, and I just filled that up with the little Tootsie Rolls and put it in there and tied a little ribbon on it. So what I want to do first is bring the cut and emboss up here and cut all our pieces, and I'll show you how easy this will be. So I was going to do this off camera, the cutting, but I wanted to show you this. I cut this at, I think it was 4.5. Yeah, I cut it at 4.5, and you can do both of these out of this 4.5-inch piece. So just do one here, and then we're going to move it down to the other one. And I will speed through this part really quick. So you can see it fit in here really nicely. And so you're not wasting a whole lot of paper. So that is for 2 of these. And then I'm just going to run this one through, which comes in that same bundle. I'm going to run that through. And we are done with the cut and emboss. So this is our little piece that we're going to use for behind. All right, so to put this together, we need our trimmer. And the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to cut this bottom one here off. This is that glue tab I showed you on the other one. We're cutting that off. And we're going to do it on both sides. See if I can keep everything together here. So just line it up on your trimmer and cut that little bottom piece off right there. I still haven't changed my blade, y'all. I forgot. And it's starting to really fray. All right. And then what you're going to do is you are going to score on this side. You're going to put this end, and this is the taller end, at the 4-inch mark. And you are going to score down. We're making our own little glue tab here. And then you're going to move it over to the 1/2-inch line here, so you have a 1/2-inch glue tab. So we're cutting that off there. So that's all you got right there. So that's all you need right there. We're going to do one more score, and that's to score the bottom at 1 inch across. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on this other piece. You're going to turn it, put it on the 4-inch line, score it, and then move it over to 1/2 inch, and we're going to cut off that piece there, my little trimmer, and then turn it to the side and do the bottom 1 inch. And that's it, y'all, and that's all you need to do. All right, so now we need to sharpen these. We're going to sharpen it here. Do both of them the same way. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut this little bottom piece off right here. This is going to be our glue tab. You can do the same on this one. Really, really easy. All right, so we're going to put this together now, and it's going to go together like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus. Use something strong for this. You can use wet glue. And what you want to do is line up your score marks on the bottom here. Line that up, and then put some more on this side. And then you're just going to turn that over like that. And then we're going to do our bottom. And we didn't cut both of those. You need to cut your bottom pieces. And if you want to cut in on them too. 2 of them are already cut, but 2 of them are not. So if you want to cut in on them, do that. And then we're going to press those in. Use some more of our Stampin' Seal Plus here. Make sure it's lined up really nice, and you may have to trim the bottoms of this one. I do not like whoops, I didn't get that straight. Let's see if we can get that straight. You know what I need to do? I need to put it on this side too. That's how I did my other one, because it stays better when both of them are there. And just press that down. And if you have anything overhanging, this one's not too bad actually, this side a little bit. But if you cut back on all 4 of yours, like trim them back like I always do, you won't have any of that. So look at, there's your box. Super easy. So then what I did was I just cut some strips, 1/2-inch strips, and I cut 3 of them. I'm just going to stamp these, and I'm going to use some Pacific Point and Real Red on these. And you're just going to stamp, and you don't need to stamp the whole thing, but I'm only stamping the top and the bottom. And the middle one, because it's going to be covered, I didn't stamp that, but you can do however you like. And I think you just need to do 3. Then I'm going to, I think I'll use wet glue so if I have to move this. And then we're going to just start putting it on here, whichever side you want to be the front. I think I put this one up a little bit further, yeah. This dries really clear, so, and then I'm just cutting those because it's like 2 3/8 across. So I just decided to just go ahead and put it on like this, make everything really easy, and then just trim it. And I think I'll trim them both at the same time. All right, and you can flip it over and then just trim it here. Just like that. Then we'll go ahead and we will grab this piece. We need to stamp our alphabet though first, our USA. So I'm going to keep that out, and I'm going to grab my real red and my piece of basic white here. And we are going to do the real red with this background. Oh, didn't get that. You have to press that nice and flat. You only need 3. I just messed up that first one. And then I'm going to use this little stars again, just for at the very top. I'm just going over the very top there. And then I'm going to use the letters, and I'm going to do the U, Pacific Point. In whatever country you're from, you can do the same thing. But our 4th of July is coming up, and I always love doing some little treat things for 4th of July. All right, so that is it for that. We're just going to punch them out, and the little punch is so convenient and so good for this. This is such a cute bundle, y'all. If you haven't seen it in the catalog, you need to look it up and actually get it, because it's really a cute one. All right, so there we go. And now I'm going to use some dimensionals, and I'm going to pop up each one of these, the USA. So let's put those on. And we'll do that first. And I like to do the 2 end ones first, and then just do the, so I can have those both even, and then do the center one. Just like that. Now we are ready to put it on our box, and I think I'm just going to glue it on. Put that in the center. Like that. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. I love this little die. It's the cutest thing. And then I'm just going to grab one of our food safe bags. This is what they are. They're 6 by 8. You can even cut them in half, or cut them, you can cut down, and I've done this before. I've cut it down, and then I've just used some Stampin' Steel along the side to make it smaller, but this one worked out just fine for this. And what I like to do is get some in here, and then I could squish them enough to fit in the box, and then I just fill it as tall as I want to do it. These are the ones that I got right here. I thought they were so cute. But you can use any kind of, they're coming out with a lot of, I've seen a bunch of different patriotic things. Now I'm going to have to cut the top of this a little bit shorter. And then I'll grab my ribbon, which I'm using the Real Red Faux Linen ribbon. I love this ribbon. I'll probably give this to my grandson, my grandkids. 2 of them are still here. 1 of them moved to Florida. I'm so sad that she's moved to Florida, but she's going to school. And that's a good thing. All right, then we're just gonna trim these. It makes such a cute little 4th of July. I think I put quite a few more in this other one because it feels heavier. But isn't it cute? I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Here's the little mini pocket envelope that you can make the same with this same die. There's so many things, y'all. Just use your imagination. It's so easy to use, and I love using my dies in more than just one way. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. I hope you have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, this is my June hostess code. If you place an order, please use my hostess code. I would really, really appreciate it. And have a good one. I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.